I'm a lineman. I've been on this crew 14 and a half, pushing 15 years. Same crew, never been on any other crew. Pretty much maintain the power lines, like right here behind me. Safety is a part of our job every day, every task. We try to look out for one another and keep that relationship going. We try to do it the best we can. Outside of work, I work with Youth Parks and Rec, volunteer coaching, baseball, basketball, even soccer. I always tell them, once I'm your coach, I'm always your coach, because when they do make it to the college level and all that stuff, I can watch them on TV and tell my kids that, hey, I coached him, I helped train him and brought him up.
Rod's an unsung hero because he's a veteran on our crew. Rod is one of those that's behind the scenes doing things all the time. He doesn't need to be patted on the back for doing those things. When I start checking into things that are going on, Rod seems to have already taken care of that. The young guys look up to Rod. They come to him when they're uncertain about things, and Rod spends the time that's needed to get these guys where they need to be.
No matter what, always give it your best. Through the criticism, through the good, through all of it, give it your best. If you're on the court, leave it on the court. You're on the field, leave it on the field. Because at the end of the day, when you write your story, you can say, I gave it my best. I might not then succeed where I wanted to, but I gave it my all. Because this is the only shot I got at it.